What do Amazon and Blue Origin's Jeff Bezos, Apple's Tim Cook, Alphabet's Sundar Pichai, AMD's Lisa Su, GM's Mary Barra, and Nvidia's Jensen Huang all have in common? What do Amazon and Blue Origin's Jeff Bezos, Apple's Tim Cook, Alphabet's Sundar Pichai, AMD's Lisa Su, GM's Mary Barra, and Nvidia's Jensen Huang all have in common? They're engineers. Once upon a time, anyone dreaming of becoming a CEO would aim for an MBA, Master of Business Administration. But that's changing. According to Harvard Business Review, back in 2018, their list of the world's top 100 performing CEOs showed that more leaders had engineering degrees than MBAs, 34 versus 32. And some had both. Getting an MBA from a top school like Wharton or Harvard can cost over $200,000. These days, some CEOs say that money might be better spent elsewhere. For Musk, that product is an electric car at Tesla, or a reusable rocket at SpaceX. And having an engineering mindset helps make that happen. Engineers are trained to design, build, and solve problems using math, science, and technology, skills that can make or break a company's success. Technically, Musk has degrees in physics and economics, not engineering, but he taught himself the technical side by reading and researching rocket science on his own. Engineering expert Sandy Munro once interviewed Musk and was blown away by his technical knowledge, saying he'd never met a CEO who knew more about their product. And that's where an engineering background shines, understanding the product inside and out, and improving it through innovation. Take Satya Nadella at Microsoft. When he became CEO in 2014, the company was falling behind Apple and other tech giants. His predecessor, Steve Ballmer, had a background in math and economics, which helped with finances, but not so much with innovation. Under Ballmer, Microsoft's products were often seen as responses to Apple's, like the Surface to the iPad, or Windows Phone to the iPhone. But Nadella, with his engineering mindset, transformed Microsoft. He expanded the company's cloud computing platform, Azure, and brought its software to non-Windows devices, like Microsoft Word on the iPhone and iPad. In his first email as CEO, Nadella wrote, "Our industry does not respect tradition, it only respects innovation." And that innovative spirit, rooted in engineering, helped Microsoft thrive again. But innovation doesn't come easy, it requires taking risks, pushing boundaries, and embracing failure. As Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That persistence paid off. He built a multi-billion-dollar company bearing his name, thanks to his attention to detail and technical obsession. Engineers also tend to stay hands-on, even with things like hiring. In Amazon's early days, Jeff Bezos personally interviewed every candidate. Bezos, who studied electrical engineering and computer science, would ask unexpected questions like, "How many gas stations are there in the US?" Not to get the exact answer, but to see how candidates think analytically. There are no tests, and if you get something wrong, Brilliant walks you through the solution so you actually learn. It's free to sign up, and the first 200 people who use my link in the description will get 20% off a premium subscription. Thanks for watching. I'm Jane Palm, and this is Newsthink.